determine the solution set. So ito yung mga replacement set natin na isa-substitute natin sa open sentence. So 6 muna. So yung x ay magiging 6 minus 2 is greater than 6. 6 minus 2 is 4, ay less than pala to, is less than 6. Is 4 less than 6? Yes, therefore this is true. So check yung ating 6. 6 is a part of a solution set kasi 2. So yung 7 naman, so x will become 7 minus 2 is less than 6. 7 minus 2 is 5 less than 6. Is 5 less than 6? Yes, it's true. So therefore, yung 7, check din yan. And then last yung 8. So x will become 8 minus 2 is less than 6. 8 minus 2, 6 is less than 6. True or false? So false. Kasi equal yan sila. So therefore, yung 8 ay hindi kasali sa solution set. So therefore, ang ating solution set is ito, 6 and 7 kasi true silang dalawa. 6, 7. Okay?